Imagine seeing a royal palace on the road. Not parked, not displayed, but moving. This is not a regular motorhome. This is a palace-inspired luxury residence built for the open highway. From the very first glance, its presence feels powerful and unforgettable. The detailed architecture, elegant domes, and arched windows turn this vehicle into a moving landmark. Every angle tells a story of craftsmanship, scale, and bold imagination. As it rolls forward, the size and balance of this motorhome become clear. Multiple axles support a structure that feels more like a mansion than a vehicle, designed to travel smoothly while carrying extraordinary space. Inside, the atmosphere is calm, spacious, and refined. This is a home designed for comfort, privacy, and long stays, where travel feels settled, not rushed. It's a space meant to be lived in, not just passed through. Behind the artistic design is intelligent engineering. Stability, smooth motion, and thoughtful layout work together to make long journeys feel relaxed and controlled. This motorhome isn't made for everyone. It's built for people who value uniqueness, freedom, and luxury, without compromise. It's not just transportation. It's a lifestyle choice. A moving palace that allows you to carry your world wherever the road leads. So the question is simple. Would you choose a life like this on wheels? If this vision inspired you, share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more extraordinary vehicles. Thank you for watching.